Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So this video here, I'd like to share with you this counter CENSOF. I think we do talk about CENSOF for quite some time. Okay, when the checkout is completed, to the members group, to the live Facebook, to the Telegram channel as well. So, if you miss all these counters, I think currently they're actually at resistance right now. And some members or some of the friends in Telegram and FB also asked me, what's the things that we should look for, okay, if we are still holding CENSOF, okay. So, but for me, if let's say you miss out, I think too bad, okay. The current price doesn't give you a very good risk to reward, unfortunately. But again, we never know, okay. Probably it will make a healthy pullback moving forwards, okay. So I'm not going to answer about looking for entry, okay, but probably today this video here will focus on what to do, okay, if you are still in CENSOF currently, okay. So just a very quick check and review again in case you miss out the review for CENSOF. So there's obviously it's a strong uptrend counters. Everything seems healthy in terms of the pullback, even though yes, in between there's a few kind of big volume UT. This is the big UTs every day, but reaccumulation is very well. Okay, it doesn't close below the LC. Again, we use the LC to check support resistance. Now this is the one that actually come with stronger signals. It form a shakeout in between as well. Okay, so it actually hit the resistance area currently. Okay, after the shakeout is completed with low volumes. Of course, this bar here, I think is a PP bar. I kind of fulfill the condition of PP bar, and most of the time PP bar, once it happens, it have a strong interest by smart money to break above, okay, on the resistance level, okay. So, but immediately after, like I think 4 days later, it seems like we have the UT bar is there, okay. So it seems like it's a failed breakout, okay, which is the bar on 21st June. So I think for those who are holding this CENSOF, okay, this is the main crucial bar that you probably want to focus into, okay. Few things that you can do, of course, UT bar always come with weakness, okay. It means that probably you will still go back to support retest if the volume is high. Okay, so like for example, this is high volume, so they're back to the 2040s or the support area. So here also, it seems like kind of high volume, okay, increasing volume above the 30 MA. So if I look into the hour chart, the next thing we can do is that we look into 30-minute chart to look for more information, okay, if you want to. So a few things, okay, this is high volume, again, at resistance, seems like there's some sellers. Here also got some high volume. Let's say break the 40 MA in our chart, which is currently are doing so, which means the trend might be weakening a little bit. Okay, so again, just going to repeat the things I always mention in live Facebook. KRST is not super bullish right now, so lots of stock also it breaks out and turns to UT. So this is a resistance area for you to look for the first TP. Okay, I think lots also are doing so. Lots of shakeout counters like KSJB, like Solid, everyone seems like just hit resistance and then just drop a little bit to the support again. Okay, I think MP also slightly doing so currently. Okay, so it's good to take some profit. I think with this volume over here or this UT doesn't cause a big distribution, but most probably it will retest on the support again. So this is a few things that we can do right now. Again, I'm not so sure whether it will drop or not, but just that I do see there are a few weakness bar in our chart and the daily chart currently as CENSOF. Okay, so this is just a quick chart. Okay, so for those that were looking for entry, make sure you want the healthy pullbacks, okay, to form. Then we're going to check at this next support. Okay, is there any chance for re-entry or not? Okay, so with this, just a quick review, okay, for CENSOF. Hopefully you like it. So if you like what we do, if you like the review that we do, the video that we share, help me to click the like buttons, okay, please, and help me to share this out. Do comment below, okay, if you need me to cover any other stock that looks interesting. I will try my best to do a short video like here and post it up for you all. Okay, so with this, thank you, and I'll see you soon.